Hello everyone! Did you know you can earn a free $50 on MooMoo by depositing $100? So now let's go through how to claim this great deal. First, open the MooMoo app and either sign up for a new account or log into your existing one. Make sure you meet the eligibility criteria for the promotion. Before depositing the funds, ensure your account is fully verified by completing the required identity checks. So this is a standard process for all financial platforms. Once your account is verified, head to the deposit section of the app and transfer at least $100 from your bank or linked payment method. After depositing, MooMoo will automatically credit your account with a $50 bonus within a few business days. So keep an eye on your account balance to see when the bonus appears. And that is how you can redeem a free $50 by depositing $100 on MooMoo. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.